Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a room tour of my bedroom. And, oh wait, I think I hear an interruption coming. Hello. So, this is the interruption. I am Fiona's sister, Micayla. I am 14 months and 2 days older than her. And I filmed all the good parts in this video. And I filmed all the good parts of this video. So, yeah. Bye. So now that that's over, let's get on with the video. So when you first walk into my room, there's this little hallway thing. We have this bookshelf with like some candy canes and stuff. Yeah, my books and stuff are down there for school. Some candles, lots of candles. And then when you turn over here, that's my sister's room. And then over here is my room. Then we walk in, and this is just a quick little overview. So when you first walk in, you have this rug right here. It's just a white fuzzy rug. Then you turn to the side and we have my desk. My desk is from Ikea, and so is the desk chair and the little storage thing underneath it. And I just have this cute little pillow from Target on it. It's gold sequins. And then we have some little pens and stuff that I got from mostly Urban Outfitters, with this little elephant pencil that I got when I was in London. And then there's my lamp, and I have a little clock, and then my planner with a little notebook. And then underneath, I have a BeautyCon box. It isn't full of BeautyCon stuff. It has just random stuff, nice storage. Then I have this little pouch filled with like my face wash and toothbrush and stuff, so when I have to go to the bathroom, I can just take it with me. Then this is a little map that my sister got me for my birthday. It's marble and rose gold. I haven't put it up yet, so I'm not really sure where it's supposed to go. And then we have above my desk. So first we have this little painting. Oh hi, you can see me. That I made myself. It's just a little Frank Greenery. It's real not best, but yeah. Then I have this planty thing from Urban Outfitters. This little clock that literally everyone in the universe has from Target. And then I have this painting of a French bulldog I also got in London. And then I have this calendar that I made. I just printed out a basic calendar on some paper from Michael's, and I have little different designs for all of the months. So yep, and then when you turn, you have my wardrobe. I don't have a closet in this room. My room is really small. It's actually one big room that me and my sister split. So this is my wardrobe. It's filled with like everything I own. And then have my windows. One of them has an air conditioner in it. And then in between, I have this little wall of stuff. So first on the wall, we have a little weaving thing that I made. And then the second one of those succulent things from Urban Outfitters. Then we have these two little crates. I just painted them white and then sanded them down a little bit and hung them on the walls. I got those from Michael's. And then I just have my Polaroid, a little plant, some cactuses, a Q&A a day book. These used to be the thing like 5 years ago, and I still have mine. Then I have a little glittery picture frame and a candle, some wiry ball. So as we move across, there's another window, and then I have my mirror. It's a full body mirror, it's just gold. On it, I have my BeautyCon lanyard from the most recent BeautyCon. It just says it on the side and stuff. And then I have a little bin with my shoes in it, and then I just have my little moose plushie on top of it. Then if you come to the side over here, I have this other big weaving. So this weaving I actually got from Urban Outfitters. So yeah, and then if you come to the side, I have my nightstand. So, and also up here, I just have a TV that I like to watch sometimes when I'm in bed. So then I'll show you my bed. So this is an overview of my bed. the bedding, all of the sheets, the comforter, the throw blanket, throw pillows, everything is from Urban Outfitters, along with the little moon banner I have hanging across the top of the door that leads into my sister's room. Those are all from Urban Outfitters. And then if you come over here, I have the little nightstand from Micayla with just a basic Target lamp, some roses, and a succulent. And then over here I have the same nightstand with the same lamp. I have a little remote for the TV, another lamp, some pillow mist from Bath & Body Works. It's lavender scented. And a succulent, and then a little candle in the shape of an elephant. And then on the walls above my nightstand, on this one, I have this little hook thing that I keep my backpack. It's hollow, and the backpack that I use. And then I have this purse. This is like my daily purse, and then my friend's headphones I keep up here. So those are all there. And then on that side, we have the moon banner, and then we have a little flower hanging thing that I made. It's just like some strings, flowers on it, hanging on a stick. So yeah, that's my bedroom. So when you come over here, it's the door and then the desk again. It's really small, but you know, that's the bedroom. So that was my bedroom. Hope you liked it. I know I say little like way too many times. I even put in a little cat. I just said it again. See, I have a problem. So yeah, sorry about that, but hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment, share the video, you know, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.